Okay. Pillow fight! Good morning from Krabi, Thailand. As you can see, this is a casual morning here in Krabi. This is what we do on a daily basis. We wake up, we go between the beds, and we do push-ups. And we do sit-ups. And we do crunches. I swear that's what we do every morning. The grind, bro. The grind. And now we're gonna go on a sick hike here in Krabi. It's gonna be so cool. And I'm gonna take you with... Yeah, let's go. Okay. To get transportation to this hike, we use this app called Grab. And it's just like Uber, but much easier. You just find a car and you grab it. And it takes you where you wanna go. God, that's bad. But it is an hour drive to this national park. So we are gonna sing, dance, and do what we do in a taxi. So, I'll see you at the national park. Oh, hello, that was quick. But we have made it to the start of the trail, start of the hike, and we just talked to some American girls that just came down, and they said it was actually a pretty challenging hike, like with a lot of climbing and sick terrain, bro. You know, that's what we like. This hike has a lot of obstacles and dangerous terrain, like for example this. I mean, look at that. That is danger. It just writes danger all over it. They should put a sign on that. That's dangerous, bro. On top of that, they have these thick gaps you have to cross, so you can drown in these. Things can happen, or you can just go around there. But you know, you have to challenge, bro. You know what you do is you put the camera like this. Good job. To make this hike easier, because it's such a hard hike, it can be smart to get a walking stick. So Jacob has found a very good walking stick. It's to stabilize your body and your flow. So as you can see, these are totally uncontrolled, and Jacob is just going straight forward. As you can see, walking sticks for pros, bro. Okay, no, he almost fell. And people just gotta understand, you know, when you're hiking, you don't want to take the easy route. You always want to... Oh, damn it. Okay. You always want to do the hard route. Even though there's a staircase right there to go up there, you got to choose the hard route, because what's an easy life, you know? You don't get achievement goals when you do the easy route. That's why you choose the challenging one, like this one. That's really stupid, isn't it? Yeah, that is stupid. So, for example, here's a perfect example. You can either choose the stairs, the easy way, or you can be a rebel and take the hard way. Because it's harder. And that means character building. Yeah, character building. So let's do the hard way, bros. Wow, danger. Okay, I might take the stairs. So you're still thinking of me, just like I know you should. I cannot give you everything, you know I wish I could. I'm so high at the moment, I'm so caught up in it. Yeah, we're just young, dumb and broke, but we still got love to teach. Only 500 meters left, let's go! Young, dumb, broke high school kid. After an hour of hiking, we finally made it. This is sick. This is one of the sickest views I've ever seen. High school kids. So much in common. We are what a sick view. But if you can hear that, just wait. It is starting to thunder. Look at those clouds over there. And it looks like it's gonna pour rain. Look at that. And I don't think we want to be up here when it's pouring rain and thundering. So, mission, get down safely. Heard that? I think you heard that. Yeah, that's so cool. Oh, again, okay. So, we have to rush down before it starts pissing rain on us. So let's go. I've switched to the GoPro, so I don't know if you can hear the thunder, but it is really starting to pick up and the clouds are getting way darker. I have so much camera gear in this bag, I don't want to get pissed rain up. I think it's starting to rain now. Crap. Oh shit, okay. We gotta hurry. Oh god. Woo! It is pouring on us. And we have 3 kilometers left. Hope you can see this on the camera. Oh god. And the track is getting really muddy on the way down. This is not good. Look at this. And steep, I don't think you can see it on the camera, but... Oh, dude! See how it is super steep here and super slippery. The irony of all of this is that I actually love tropical rain. It's so awesome when it just dunks down on you, like you can just get soaked. That's awesome. It's not like rain and you just like get like irritating, but now we're just soaked and you're like putting puddles, like playing in puddles. It's like we're a kid again, you know? Yeah, sick, bro. Keep positive, you know, it's just, but the only thing I'm worried about, I have a bag full of camera gear, drones, cameras, everything. Not good. They do not do well with water. Pray to God it's okay. Actually had this genius plan just now. I'm thinking it'll go way faster if we just strip naked and just slide down this on our stomach like penguins. It's super steep here, so, and slippery. I think it will work. I think Tool will be the test dummy on this one, and we'll see, you know. Yeah, good luck, Tool. Made it down, we made it down. Woo, woo! Yes. Finally made it. That took a long time and we are soaked. So, we are gonna take a taxi home now, so let's just spin back to the Quibbo. And we are back at the hotel. What a sick mission. That was an awesome hike and an awesome view. And we got down and everything went well. Super sick day. I'm gonna end the vlog here. We are just gonna swim and eat some awesome food because we are tired. So, if you like that, then hit the subscribe button because we'll be posting several times a week. And I'll see you in the next video.